What's good, everybody? It's Malcolm from Tap In Wellness, and I'm back with Bob's Red Mill to bring you guys another delicious recipe. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make baked oatmeal using Bob's Red Mill's rolled oats. So if you have some of those in your pantry, definitely give this one a shot and let me know how you guys like it. Without further ado, let's get into the recipe.
So first you want to get a nice big bowl. You're only going to need one bowl for this recipe. Makes it super easy for this all to come together. It's also great for meal prep. So first we want to make our flax egg. That's 1 tablespoon of flax seeds along with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. It's going to thicken up and act as a binding agent. In addition to that, we're going to add 2 ripe bananas. So we're going to mash those up along with the flax egg. Next we're going to add in 1.5 cups of plant milk along with a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of hemp seeds, and a 1/3 cup of chia seeds. We're going to give this a good mix until it becomes nice and homogeneous, at which point we can add 2 cups of oats and 1 cup to 1.5 cups of your fruit of choice. I'm using strawberries, blueberries, and a little bit of date. But there are so many things that could go well with this recipe, so you could really get creative. Then we're going to want to fold this into the mix nice and gently. We don't want the fruit to break down before we start to bake it. Then you can get it into our preferred baking dish, topped with a little extra fruit if desired, and we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes until it gets nice and golden and cooked through. And just like that, you have another easy recipe you can make at any time. You can make this ahead of time, you can use this for meal prep, you can eat this for dessert, you can eat this for breakfast. There's really no limit to what you could do with this. And you can get super creative and customize this how you like. Add your favorite fruit, add different seeds and nuts. This is all around just a very versatile, very delicious dish. You gotta try this ASAP.
And that's the recipe, everyone. This one came out super great, and I hope you guys all give it a try. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.